Oh, let's see what you can see I see. Maybe. Let's hope. Field here first, guys. And tip it way over. So we fall down. Still high enough. That's a little bit better now. Let's see, I think the rear tire is a little bit flat too. At least I can halfway pedal. Ow! Ow! I used to ride. Keep my knees in better shape. Got too painful. Let's see what I can do. Ow, 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 ow. God, that left me. glasses. Okay, so I went to the end of the subdivision where I live, where drive in anyway, and my right knee, after about 10 feet, straightened up, but my left knee hurts like hell to extend all the way. It just clicks really bad, like a constant click, click, click. I can barely get my foot on the pedal. So I decided to stop there. I didn't want to do further injury to my knee. But the seat is high enough where I can stop without falling over if I take my time. So, yeah. Maybe if I start doing that every day or once a week, I can get this knee work back out. I think it's because I tried these insoles called plantar fascia, and I can't feel them in my shoes, but they are making my legs feel better. So my theory is the plantar fascia is bad. So my feet were numb and hurting all day, and then I probably had to compensate by putting more weight on my knees, which just inflamed them like crazy. All right, till next time.